Right, there's my territory manager's shoes and pocketbook. Looks like it just got real here. All right, from the 20-yard line, here we go. Trane dealer field goal. What? What? Oh, man. That was close.
I was ready to record that.
Wait. This is a better ball.
All right, let's get another one. Give him 5 yards.
Yeah, give him 5 yards.
You gonna try again?
He about had it.
All right, here he goes. Have no idea where this guy's from.
Here it was.
That's twice. He hit the goalpost.
You can't hit the rail again.
That's good effort. That's really good effort. I'm good. That's two.
Your turn.
I think I might pull a hammy. I don't think I've ever hit the field goal before in my life.
Stretch.
Ever in my life.
Seriously, don't pull a hamstring. Stretch.
From the 20 again, here we go. Can a Trane dealer make it happen or not?
I've never kicked a full in my life. All right, Chuck.
Well,
It looks easier on TV.
almost had a return there.
I get paid big money for it.
I don't.
Somebody's got to make it before we leave. Come on.
Can you kick? I'm gonna try.
All right, all
Where
right.
you wanted that?
See, my younger days, I was an athlete. Like much younger.
All right.
Ryan, stretch.
A little beefier guy here.
Hey,
Here we go. This is Ryan
look here.
from the 20.
Oh,
Whoa!
Oh! Look at that winner!
Old country boy.
I don't know if I got the field goal, but I tried. I was going to get the.
nice
How about
job.
that?
I'm serious. The
Is he your
Gamecocks
dealer?
choose you.
So, one of your dealers, look at that. We got the field
I
goal.
was trying to get the whole camera on the ground.
Man,
Beautiful shot.
action.
You just were too quick.
That was
You should
nice.
try it from the 30.
So
All
did
right,
you play for
let's
Dixie
back it up 5 yards and try again.
I never played football.
Try again. Where's his holder go?
I know, tell me when. Yeah. I'm
All
gonna
right.
miss this one. I did good the first time. I was trying on my head.
From the 25. Here we go.
See what that toe on that boot, Bubba?
R&R, heating and air. Look at that. Awesome. All right, we're not going to make you do the 30 because we don't want you to miss with this beautiful video.
He's on a roll.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful video so far.
At least be like, I keep. You ready for 30?
Dude, you choked from the 20. He's...
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
I think you had
Watch
the
out.
yard.
Oh,
Woo!
oh, yeah.
I think you had the yard.
And he caught it too. We got a football player here.
All right, you got it.
One more kick. All right, from the 30.
Come on.
Here we go. They're fussing at us.
Ready?
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Oh, a little short.
I know.
That's all right.
That's 25. That's
Remember?
25.
R&R heating and air.
25.
Screenshots, everyone gets their own picture by the star.
All right, so now they want us to do stuff.
Shot, but y'all were not dancing.
There's the lady that was yelling at us. Bunch of riffraff out here.
No videos, no FaceTime.
There's the big screen
They do hit it.
that they're watching
They do hit it.
when they're in the seats there. So, how we've all said the replays were better at home on the TV.
TV like that.
Not so sure anymore.
You're here and you're watching the app instead of watching the field.
I need to get a TV like this for my house.
Yeah. Bigger than my house.
That is huge.